Got this one. All right, we're going to address file number 21877-SM. Mr. Tompkins, what's a good phone number for you?
616 698 2450.
And a good address for you.
Rockford, 163 Prospect.
All right. Mr. Tompkins, they have a complaint on file alleging on the date of March 30th or March 20th, 2021 in Lilly Township, County of Newaygo, being charged with count 1, domestic violence. They're alleging you did make an assault or assault and battery upon Lorraine Thompson, a resident or former resident of the household. That's a misdemeanor charge, maximum penalty 93 days in the county jail and or up to a $500 fine plus costs. Do you understand that charge and the maximum penalties?
Yes.
Other file number 211262-ST. They are alleging on the date of April 20th, 2021, near Croton Hardy Drive in Waters in the Township of Croton, County of Newaygo, you received a traffic citation of operating a motor vehicle while your driver's license was suspended, revoked, or denied. That's also a misdemeanor charge, maximum penalty 93 days in the county jail and or up to a $500 fine plus costs. Do you understand that charge and the maximum penalties?
Yes.
Any questions about your advice of rights form?
No.
Did you understand it?
Yeah. Yes.
Criminal charge, so you have the right to be represented by an attorney on this matter. Are you currently employed right now? Are you currently employed?
Well, I'm staying over there in Newaygo. Of course, I can't go back there, but I've been there working on redoing my camper and stuff like that over there.
All right. So based on that, the court will appoint you a public defender to represent you. His name's going to be John Greer, and I'll schedule this for a conference date. I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on both accounts and schedule it for a conference on June 9th at 3:30 p.m. That's June 9th at 3:30 p.m. You do not have to show up on this date and time because the prosecuting attorney will meet with your attorney because your attorney is going to be here to represent you. Like I said, your attorney will be here to represent you to speak with the prosecuting attorney, so you do not need to show up on that date and time. Your attorney will call you in the next 3 days to introduce himself and go over case details with you. He'll call you at that 616-698-2450 phone number that you gave me. Any questions that you have right now?
Can I get a PR bond?
Yeah, we'll dive into that right now. Ms. Frisbee, before the court addresses bond.
Yeah, Mr. Tompkins gave me good contact information. He does have a pending charge again. He's not sure what for. He has cousins that do live in this county, so he does have ties to the community. And he may have failed to appear for court a long time ago.
All right, Mr. Tompkins, on the driving a license suspended, that's a traffic offense. There's no public safety issues or any concerns with bond. The court will authorize a PR bond on that file. When it comes to the domestic violence assaultive case, the court will set a bond for public safety of the victim. The court has to set a bond for Lorraine Thompson. $2,500, 10% cash or surety. So $250 gets you out today as long as there's no other holes in any other counties. If you bond out, no contact with Lorraine Thompson and or her residence. Any questions before I go?
No. Except for I'm having a hard time getting these bonds. I tried to pay the bond before, but the machine here wouldn't take my credit card, so I don't know.
Yeah, we'll talk to a surety company.